Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again in this channel, my friends. This video will show you how to repair the Samsung RV 511 laptop with problem cannot turn on, and the voltage from the power supply dropped until 6 volt. The normal voltage 19 volt drop until 6.1 volt, and of course this laptop cannot turn on. Okay, the first step to fix this problem is remove the battery, and then we try to plug again the charger or the power supply to this laptop, and this still drop. So this means that the problem is on the motherboard, and we need to open the case to access the motherboard of this laptop. Okay, this is the main board of this laptop. Remove the CMOS battery. Oh, this is not the original capacitor, because the original capacitor of this motherboard in this VCC core is neck talking, not like this. Alright, no problem. The next step is let's find the main 19 volt line from the DC jack. Because when the charger plug into this laptop, this is dropped, so I think this main 19 volt line get the trouble. This is the main resistor, and this is the 19 volt line that distributed around the motherboard. I think this line get the trouble. Okay, let's check this line using the multitester, analog multitester. Okay, this is sorted or almost sorted. You can see my analog multitester. Okay, this almost sorted. Alright, the resistance not 0 ohm but almost 0 ohm, but the DC jack no problem. DC jack no problem. This is DC jack line. Okay, almost sorted here and here. Okay, we must remove the resistor to separate the power source line from the main 19 volt line that connected with other block in this motherboard. Okay, the resistor have removed. Let's check again the 19 volt line here. Still almost sorted. This is not normal condition. Okay, checking this MOSFET in normal condition. Alright, now we have now that the 19 volt line in not in the normal, no, in the abnormal condition, almost sorted. The resistance of this line is not good, over overload, almost 0 ohm. This is not good. Usually this is caused by something wrong with component that connected directly with the 19 volt line. Okay, we try to remove the processor for first, because this processor is also get the power source from the 19 volt through the MOSFETs and the coil that working as switching component and the filter component on the regulator of the VCC core. You know that the VCC core is the code of the voltage that's supplying this processor. And the next step is checking again the condition of the 19 volt line. This is still almost shorted. So this means that the bad condition of this 19 volt line is not caused by the condition of VCC core, or not caused by the condition of the block of the processor. Okay, let's find again. Okay, I will give the low voltage to this to the 19 volt line. About 2 voltage. Okay, 2.4 volt. .3 volt will injected to the 19 volt 19 volt line. And let's see the component. Maybe here is the component that very hot. Okay, you can see 0.6 ampere, and the voltage not dropped, still 2.3 volt. Yeah, I think the voltage must be higher. 4.4 volt. Okay. This is also connected directly with the 19 volt line. The ampere is 2.6. Oh, this chipset is hot. I think this is the chipset. The temperature of the chipset is high, not hot, but the temperature is high, not normal. Harm, okay, hangat tuh. Almost hot, hampir panas. Okay, remove first the heatsink of the chipset PCH chipset PCH. Okay, I think something problem of this chipset. Baik, kita coba akan lihat skemanya. Kita punya board view di sini, ya. Kita mau lihat fokus ke chipset. Jadi ini ya. Tadi ketika kita kasih tegangan, kita suntik. When we give the low voltage on the 19-volt line, this chipset not very hot, but this is the temperature is not normal, almost hot. The temperature is high, not very hot but high, and this is not permitted in the normal condition. When we give the voltage to this 19-volt line, before we turn it on this motherboard, this chipset must be still cool. Jadi ini olah bahasa lagi nih. Pokoknya maksudnya itu sebelum ini dinyalakan, motherboard ini dinyalakan, ini chipset ini nggak boleh panas, hangat aja nggak boleh, karena nggak boleh ada tegangan masuk ke sini sebelum tombol power ditekan. The voltage from the power source cannot get into this chipset before we turn it on this motherboard. So let's find the voltage that supplying this chipset. Okay, let's find this on the board view. This is schematic of this motherboard. Board view. Okay, this is the resistor that we have removed. This is the pin number 2 of this resistor is the 19-volt line with code VDC. Okay, this is this voltage distributed to around this motherboard, connected with VCC core, VCC GFX, and VCC to this chipset, but in this motherboard not used. You can see here this. Okay, this block is not used. All right, back to board view. Okay, this is the chipset. Okay, this is the chipset that we want to check, and this is the chipset. Okay, let's check the one of this capacitor. Okay, this is capacitor, the biggest capacitor. This is the pin number 2 is ground, and pin number 1 is 1.0 volt, 0.5 volt. Why I choose this capacitor? Because the supply, the voltage that is supplying this chipset always equipped by the capacitor. And let's see the motherboard once again. You can see here, this is the bottom of the chipset. Okay, you can see here is so many capacitor, small capacitor, And you can see here the biggest capacitor. Saya yakin sekali bahwa ini adalah kapasitor untuk supply tegangan. Kenapa demikian? Ya, yakin aja. Back to the board view. Okay, we found now a voltage level 1.05 volt. Okay, this is the first voltage that's supplying this chipset. Okay, let's find what is the component that connected directly with this voltage level. Okay, you can see this yellow color here. This is the component that connected, and here is the coil. Okay, L5. This is the coil that indicated. This coil indicated that this voltage level produced here. Usually, the coil is stand together with the capacitor. Okay, this is capacitor. You can see this on the motherboard. Coil L5 equipped by this board capacitor, and the other pin of this L5 is connected by this MOSFET key 8 and key 7. The other pin of this MOSFET key 8 or key 7 connected to the 19-volt line. Do you believe me? Okay, let's find out. We try to this pin. Okay, this pin connected with the ground. Okay, back again, this pin. Okay, now you can see here this pin number 5 of the MOSFET with code Q7 connected directly with VDC. The VDC is the 19-volt line, as I have shown you before. Right, connected to the resistor R519. This is the VDC 19-volt line. So kemungkinan, jadi karena dari ini kita tahu bahwa L5 yang terhubung langsung ke chipset tadi, ada di sini ada jembatan sebuah MOSFET Q7 dan yang kaki satunya terhubung ke 19 volt. Jadi 19 volt itu langsung terhubung ke chipset melalui Q7 dan L5. Kalau L5 pasti short ya, dia coil aja. Kalau Q7 nggak boleh short. Ini Q7 ini pin drain dan source-nya harus terhubung setelah motherboard dinyalakan. Ini kok belum udah nyala, nah, maka kemungkinan Q7 ini rusak atau controllernya yang rusak. Oke, kalau gitu kita akan cek Q7. Alright, kembali ke motherboard, kita cek Q7 ini ya, sesuai di board view. Okay, back to the motherboard. Let's check the MOSFET with code Q7. This is the MOSFET. Okay, let's check the pin. Let's check the pin. Drain and pin source. Okay, sorted. Please watch my analog multitester. Okay, this is short, I think. Let's try to remove this coil to ensure that the 19-volt line connected directly or sorted with this coil. Be careful to remove this coil, because if you blowing here with the hot air, this elko will very hot and will explode. Jadi kalau elko ini kepanasan, dia akan pecah, meledak. Makanya kita usahakan pakai solder biasa saja. So we try to use the solder like this. Okay, but this is anyep, urung panas. Wait for a while, so my iron solder hot. Mungkin penyebabnya karena dipakai game atau dipakai gambar grafik 3D yang berat gitu ya mungkin. Jadi karena tegangan yang masuk ke chipset ini intens sekali, kita tahu bahwa tegangan pada titik ini fluktuatif juga, naik turun sesuai dengan kinerja motherboard, kinerja chipset ya. Karena chipset ini ngurusi grafik, maka dia agak keras gitu kerja ya. Kalau pemakaian laptopnya yang membutuhkan grafik tinggi, kayak game itu kan grafiknya butuh tinggi ya, karena gambarnya bergerak dan lain sebagainya. Atau menggunakan program editing yang butuh grafik tinggi, misalnya dipakai AutoCAD misalnya, atau program-program yang lain yang memang membutuhkan kinerja chipset VGA yang maksimal. Karena motherboard ini chipset VGA-nya yang khusus VGA-nya sendiri nggak ada, chipset nggak pasang, maka kinerja grafik diambil alih oleh chipset PCH ini. Atau bisa jadi mungkin ada penyebab lain, karena memang tidak ada yang kekal ya, tidak ada yang kekal di dunia ini. Termasuk MOSFET juga akan mati, kita juga akan mati. Yang kekal abadi itu hanya Tuhan. Jadi yang kekal hanya Allah saja. Oke, kita lepas. Remove this coil to separate the 19 volt line to 1.07 volt line that supplying the chipset. Okay, we have removed one of the pins of this coil. The 19 volt line must be not shorted again now. Let's check it out. Okay, you can see my analog multiduster. The 19 volt line now not shorted again to the ground. This means that the MOSFET of the 1.0 volt line have broken, shorted between the pin drain and the pin source, and the MOSFET is here. This is the MOSFET with code Q7. Okay, let's remove this MOSFET and let's see what happened after this. Okay, brother, place the safety tool. This is the professional safety tool. Susah ya naruhnya. Okay, the professional safety tool. biar elko-nya nggak meledak. Meletek. Where is my MOSFET? My MOSFET is jumping. My MOSFET have jumping. I have not push check it, and now jumping. Nanti parah nih, nyolot ya. Aduh, Anda belum beruntung. I'm sorry because my MOSFET, the MOSFET have jumping. Okay, let's try to find the new one of the MOSFET. Check for first the type of the MOSFET from the Q7. You can see here fat silicon AON6414L N 34 N channel 30 volt. Okay, this is the specification of the MOSFET that we must replace. N channel 34. Okay, let's find out. Here we have MOSFET. Oh, soldered. This is the broken MOSFET. How about this? Okay, this is the normal MOSFET. I think this is the N channel. We got now 19. The N channel MOSFET 30 volt with code the MOSFET with model 6780. Let's check the datasheet of this MOSFET. 6780 6780 MOSFET datasheet. Okay, this is the N channel MOSFET, and 30 volt N channel MOSFET. Okay, can replace the MOSFET with this one. Baik, kita akan ganti. We will replace the MOSFET with this one. I found the MOSFET that jumping. Not jumping but delik. Maksudnya yang tadi kirain loncat itu ternyata delik di sini. Nah, ini dia. Okay, the MOSFET have replaced. Let's check again the condition of 19 volt line. Okay, in normal condition. Okay, this is the VCC core. Double check the 19 volt line. Okay. The main MOSFET. Okay. One more. Resistor. Okay, let's try to turn on this motherboard. This is the okay. The temperature is normal. Okay, plug the charger and turn on. Bismillah. Oh, cannot turn on. Oh, nyala ternyata. Okay, working now with current 1.2. Okay, this is normal. The cooler fan working well. I think this is okay now. Okay, turn off. Okay, let's see how this motherboard working with the screen. We install the CMOS battery. Case. Hard drive. Okay. And now, where is the Samsung? Okay, working well now. Okay, can you see here? Can you see this screen? All right, all done. And oh, okay, brother, this laptop have working well now. Broken, cannot turn on, so the voltage drop caused by a MOSFET that is broken. MOSFET that is salted between its pin, between pin source and pin drain, and this MOSFET working as the switching component on the 1.07 volt regulator. This MOSFET is N-channel MOSFET with voltage rating 34. And now this laptop working again. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this video will useful and help you. Maybe you have been learning about repairing the laptop motherboard, or maybe you meet the same problem of your laptop, you can follow this video. See you again in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.